How to check spelling in PowerPoint 2016. As you write and create your presentation, PowerPoint checks your spelling and basic grammar as you work. Many common errors are fixed automatically, so you don't have to worry about interrupting your writing as you type words that are misspelled. Get a red squiggly line under them. If the mistake isn't corrected automatically, you can fix it yourself by right-clicking on the underlined word. A list of suggestions appears. Pick the correct spelling and it gets fixed. If the spelling is correct, choose Ignore All. The other option is Add to Dictionary. Doing this means PowerPoint and other Office apps know in the future not to mark that spelling as incorrect. This is particularly helpful with names and places. If you don't want to make corrections as you work, you can check the entire presentation. Once you're finished to do this, go to Review and then choose Spelling. This will open the spelling pane with the first misspelled word to fix the error. Choose one of the suggestions and then choose Change. Choose Change All. If you want to fix all instances of the error, if you don't want to correct the error, choose Ignore or Ignore All, and you can choose Add for Office to not mark the spelling as a mistake in the future. And when there are no more errors, PowerPoint will tell you you're good to go. Thank you for watching us.